Hello everyone. In this video, we will learn how to change colors while crocheting. Stop crocheting just before you pull the yarn through the last 2 loops on your hook. Drop the background color yarn and pick up the new color yarn. Yarn over with the new color and pull through the last 2 loops on your hook. Insert your hook into the next stitch and place the tails of both the background color and the new color over your hook. Yarn over and pull through a loop, encasing the tails of both yarns. Continue to single crochet with the new color, working over the tails to hide them within your work. This completes the color change, and the tails are neatly hidden within the fabric. That is all for this video. Enjoy your crocheting time.